Robert Burns, a Scottish poet who lived from 1759 to 1796 and frequently wrote in the Scots dialect, is widely regarded as the national poet of Scotland. His poem and song, Auld Lang Syne, which literally translates to old long since or a long time ago, is still frequently sung on New Year's Eve. In 1793, inspired by Robert the Bruce's glorious struggle for freedom, Burns wrote a poem giving voice to Bruce's address to his troops before the Battle of Bannockburn.
The first mention I ever heard of William Wallace was, and not even a reference to William Wallace, but just Wallace, was from Robert Burns' poem, Scots Which Have. Scots which have with Wallace bled, which was the speech of Robert the Bruce.
Scots Wha Hae, or Scots Who Have, has since served as an unofficial national anthem of Scotland.
Scots Wha Hae wi Wallace bled, Scots whom Bruce had often led, welcome to your gory bed, or to glorious victory. Now's the day and now's the hour, see the front o' battle lower, see approach proud Edward's power, Edward, chains and slavery. Wha would be a traitor knave? Who can fill a coward's grave? Wha sae base as be a slave? Traitor coward, turn and flee. Wha for Scotland's king and law, freedom's sword will strongly draw. Free man stand or free man fall, Caledonian, on wi me. By oppression's woes and pains, by your son and servile chains, we will drain our dearest veins, but they shall be free. Lay the proud usurpers low, tyrants fall and every foe, liberties in every blow, forward let us do, or die.